Understanding optimal sound in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, optimal sound. This phrase can be intriguing, especially for those learning English. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. Optimal sound combines two words, optimal and sound. Optimal refers to the best or most favorable condition, while sound refers to what we hear. So, when these two words come together, they describe the best possible listening experience. You might hear optimal sound in various contexts. It's often used in technology, like when describing the best audio quality of headphones or speakers. Music production, where achieving the optimal sound is crucial for a great track. Acoustics, referring to the ideal sound conditions in a room or hall. Let's see how optimal sound is used in sentences. 1. This theater is designed for optimal sound, ensuring a fantastic movie experience. 2. Our new headphones provide optimal sound quality, perfect for audiophiles. 3. In the recording studio, we constantly tweak settings to achieve the optimal sound. Understanding synonyms can help broaden your vocabulary. Some synonyms for optimal include best, ideal, and peak. For sound, consider audio, noise, and acoustics. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding optimal sound and its usage in English. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Keep exploring, and see you in the next video.